This guide will help you optimize your controller settings in Valorant to minimize drift and enhance your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to improve your controller performance. Step 1. Check controller settings. Start by navigating to the settings menu in Valorant. Go to the Controls tab and ensure that your controller is properly recognized. Adjust the sensitivity settings to find a comfortable level for your gameplay. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. In the same Controls menu, locate the dead zone settings. The dead zone is the area around the joystick's neutral position where movement is not registered. Lowering the dead zone can help reduce drift, but be cautious not to set it too low as it may cause unintended movements. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Ensure that your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website for any available updates. Keeping your controller updated can fix bugs and improve performance, which may help with drift issues. Step 4. Clean your controller. Physical issues can contribute to controller drift. Carefully clean your controller, focusing on the joystick areas. Dust and debris can interfere with the sensors, so use compressed air or a soft cloth to remove any buildup. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. After making adjustments, play a few matches to test the changes. Pay attention to how the controller feels during gameplay. If you still experience drift, consider further adjustments to the sensitivity and dead zone settings until you find the optimal configuration. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your controller settings in Valorant and minimize drift, enhancing your overall gaming experience. Happy gaming!